Air conditioning on this 1983 turbo diesel 300D, which is really clean. Another one, of course, you guys seen my my videos for this used car salesman. This is, I don't even call him a used car salesman. He deals just in the classics and really good quality. Look at that, 135,000 miles, beautiful interior, beautiful paint job, original, no damage, no accidents. The cleanliness and the detail on this thing is just out of this world. But it is low on refrigerant. Somebody else already retrofitted it. They had the fittings on there. He said the compressor was coming on, and so it's at 17 psi. The compressor comes on, your low pressure switch isn't protecting you, and when you heat up this car and run it, that 17 psi will go up to 20 some, maybe 30 psi, because if you have gas in here at 17 psi and it's 60 degrees, turn on the car, hot day, it comes 160 degrees under the hood or something, you take that gas and you expand it, it has nowhere to go because it's in a contained sealed vessel, so the pressure goes up. It could switch over a pressure switch and start running with nothing but vapor in the system. It doesn't protect your compressor. So my thing is to find a leak, and unfortunately they didn't have UV dye in there, I don't think, and I will find out. I have not even, but I don't see no green down in the light down there, or down in the, let's see, get way down there. Maybe I'll find out. I'll get my UV light and see what we find. And then we have a Hummer. He's seen me over here working, so he's been to the shop right behind me. That's just 2 doors down. He says he's been down there 5 times, and then he gave up. They keep looking for it. Supposedly they don't have dye in the system, and he got a can of the AC Pro. 1 can of AC Pro is not going to hurt that car. That's fine. I told him as long as it was 1 can and you didn't use 3, 4, or 5 cans, you're fine. But let's see what I find on that Hummer. The only suspicions I have on this, they cleaned it so good, I cannot find no oil traces anywhere, because this guy's detailing service removes all my evidence of any oil traces. So let's see if it's the case of the compressor. Those R4 cases, the seal gets hard and crispy, and the case actually expands with every pulsation of the piston, and they usually leak at the case. So let's see what happens. All right guys, I'll see ya. 17 psi and the compressor's running just fine. Well, not fine, it's overheating.